Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about how to create several animations for one character and then import them into Elate in just few simple steps. By the way, this is the second part of the tutorial and I love to know how you managed to set up materials for your character from previous video. If you found a better way to adjust materials than the one I showed, please let me know in the comments below. If you missed the first one, I recommend watch it first, the link in the description. So let's get started. Step 1. Mixamo. Let's open Mixamo and choose a new animation. For example, we'll take standing idle pose. Next, set up the animation the same way as in the previous video and press download. This time we'll also choose FBX format, but for skin, select the option without skin. This will help save download time, since we only need the animation and not the model itself. If you choose with skin, don't worry, that's not a mistake. You can simply delete the extra parts later in Blender. Now, in the same way, choose Setup and download one more animation. For example, singing. Step 2. Blender. Go to Blender and open project file from the previous tutorial. If you didn't save it, just repeat steps 1 to 4 from the last video. The link is still in the description. Now import both FBX file with the new animations. As you can see, Blender added two animated armatures into the scene. To check them, you can press play or use the shortcut space. At the same time, all animations may play, but for us it's enough just to see that they work. Now let's move on to giving our animations some simple names. It'll help us to keep things organized. Next, select the imported armatures, delete the duplicates. But don't worry, all animations are still here. Now we are going to find them. Let's pay attention to the viewport with the timeline and move it to the first frame using Shift plus left arrow. In the upper left corner of this viewport, click and switch to non-linear animation. If, just like me, you see an empty timeline, select the armature and press Alt-H to make it visible. After that, you'll see the keyframes of base character animation from the previous video. And now you might be wondering, but where are our newly imported animations? Don't worry, they are right here. Very soon we'll check them out in Elate. To do this, press push down and select the existing animation, just like I do here. Then click Add Action. Here we'll finally see the ones we imported. Choose and add the missing ones to the timeline one by one. We can see that they've been added as new tracks. Now we need to place them all onto a single track in the order we want them to appear in Elate. For example, first idle, then rapping, then singing one after another. Scroll through the timeline to make sure all animations work for your character. You can also remove empty Elate track to keep things clean. Step 3. Export. Now export from Blender and import into Elate the same way we did before. In Elate, you can switch between your animations with the buttons Default 1 and 2. As you see, Elate allows us to use up to 9 different animations for one character. In this video we created 3, but you can add more the same way. Also, you can switch animations via DMix if you want to integrate this into your time-coded show. In the next video we'll add some cool objects to our character, like a microphone for singer or an instrument for a musician. So stick around for that. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more content like this. If this video was useful, hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.